guys, welcome to Vedant Loka's channel. This is Ved. Today I'm going to open a secret parcel. My mom told I will not tell you, you should do YouTube video only. It's from Amazon. Okay, I'm now opening it. Can't guess what it is. What is it? This is my school bag. See, not school bag. It's a bag that when we go somewhere it's for carrying like little snacks. Like that. This is my bag, my elephant bag, and this is Shloka's bag. Wait, I will show you. It's tailed. Who tailed it? Okay. This is Shloka's bag, rabbit, and mine is elephant. This elephant is covering its eyes with its ears like this. You don't cover. Okay, now I will open it and see. Oh, wow, it's very soft from outside and it's also soft from inside also. It's very soft. Okay, bye bye guys. Meet you in next video. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Like, share, subscribe our channel. Bye bye guys.